In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to attach documents and images in Smartsheet. Keeping files right where your team collaborates saves time and keeps everyone aligned, so let's walk through the exact clicks to add attachments to your sheet. Start by signing in and heading to the home page. From here, take a quick look at Suggested. This area highlights your most recent or relevant items, and it's often the fastest way to jump back into your work. If you don't see what you need there, switch to All Workspaces to view everything you have access to. Open the workspace that contains your project, and then open the sheet you want to work in. You'll land in the grid view of your sheet. On the right edge of the screen, find the paperclip icon. This opens the Attachments panel, which is where you'll add and manage the files connected to this sheet. With the panel open, click Add. You'll see options to upload a file from your computer or add a URL. Uploading a file is best when you want a copy stored with the sheet. Think PDFs, images like PNG and JPG, presentations, or spreadsheets. Adding a URL is ideal when you want to link to a cloud document or a web resource without uploading a new copy. Choose Upload a File to follow along. A window appears that lets you drag and drop, or you can click Browse. If you're dragging, just drop your documents or images into the upload area. If you're browsing, navigate to the file on your computer, select it, and confirm. Smartsheet will begin uploading immediately. You can add multiple files and you'll see progress indicators as each one completes. When the upload finishes, your files appear in the Attachments panel with their names and timestamps ready for your team to open. If you prefer to link instead of upload, choose URL, paste the link, and save. The link is stored alongside your other attachments so teammates can access it without leaving the sheet. A few helpful tips as you work. Attachments respect the sharing settings of your sheet, so anyone with access to the sheet can view them. File names that include a date or version number make it easier to track updates. Also, be mindful of any size limits in your plan, especially for large images or videos. That's all there is to it. You went from Home, use Suggested or All Workspaces to locate your sheet, open the Attachments panel with the paperclip, clicked Add, and then either uploaded a file or added a URL. Your documents and images are now right where your work happens, ready for your team to use.